Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving deep into the realm of Excel to unravel the secrets of if functions with and or or. Here to get to smarter data analysis. I promise by the end of this tutorial, you will be an Excel wizard ready to conquer any data challenge. So buckle up for this exhilarating adventure into the heart of spreadsheet magic. Before we soar into the advanced features, let's lay the groundwork. We'll be working with a data set featuring customers from different states, genders, and age groups. Our mission to identify the customers who are male, have children, and are under 45 and age younger than 45 years. Exciting, right? Let's get started. Now, first things first, let's start with AND logic. This allows us to set multiple conditions that must all be true. Imagine it as finding customers who are both male and have children. The second condition would be the customer having children and age younger than 45 years. And the third condition would be the customer is a male and age younger than 45 years. As we ascend the Excel mastery ladder, we encounter OR logic. This powerful tool let us use for multiple conditions seeking customers who are either male or age younger than 45 years. So, it is helping us to satisfy either of the two conditions, that is first male, second have children, and third age younger than 45 years. Now let's amplify our skills by combining AND OR with if logic. We are narrowing down our focus to precisely target customers who are male, have children, and age younger than 45 years. Get ready for the wow moment. And there you have it. We have just unlocked the secrets of if functions with AND OR in Excel. Whether you are a data enthusiast or just curious to explore new territories, this tutorial has equipped you with the skills to navigate the vast landscapes of data. Until next time, Happy exploring and excel in your data quest.